Hi, I'm Elsa Gonsiorowski. I'm a computer scientist at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in Livermore, California. I work in our supercomputing facility where we make sure our clusters are running 24/7, 365. My role is I/O specialist. I support our users and help make sure they are getting the most out of the many different file systems that we have. In between user support issues, I work on SCR, the Scalable Checkpoint Restart Library. It's one of the many tools developed here at LLNL specifically for HPC applications. I was drawn to HPC by the potential to tackle big scientific problems. I work with scientists who are doing research in climate science, COVID-19, earthquakes, traumatic brain injury, and much more. Beyond the science, I am most excited about the big machines that we get to play with every day. As I'm recording this, LLNL has the number 3 fastest supercomputer on the top 500 list. But we're more than just one big fast machine. Here at Livermore Computing, we currently run over 25 clusters. This means we maintain a boatload of file systems, networking, and other infrastructure needed to keep everything up and running. I hope you're all having a great supercomputing. This is one of my favorite conferences and something I look forward to every year. I'll be participating in some of the student sessions and logged into the Discord, so please reach out if you have any questions or just want to say hi.